In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gumloop to Slack 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have a simple Gumloop workflow that sends a message to a Slack channel so you can automate updates, alerts, or reminders with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to gumloop.com/flows. This is the hub where all your automations live. Once you're on the Flows page, look for the Workflows area. Click Workflows to view and manage your existing automations, then choose Create Workflow to start a fresh one. Giving your workflow a clear name at this point is helpful, especially if you plan to build more automations later. In the Workflow Builder, focus on the left-hand side. This is your toolbox where Gumloop lists apps and actions you can add to your flow. To insert a new step, click the plus sign button. A panel will open showing available integrations and blocks. Scroll down until you find Slack. If you have a lot of apps connected, take your time and move steadily through the list so you don't miss it. When you see Slack, select Send and Receive Slack Messages. This places a Slack node onto your canvas so you can configure how messages will be sent or received. Next, click to select the Slack node you just added. Selecting it opens its settings panel and ensures any changes you make are applied to the correct step. Now enter your channel. Type the exact Slack channel you want to post to, like a team updates channel. Using a dedicated test channel the first time is a good idea, so you can confirm everything works without distracting your main team. With the channel set, write the message you want Gumloop to send. Keep it concise and actionable. If your workflow will later include dynamic content, consider adding placeholders or clear labels. Now, so you know where data will go as your flow evolves. When your channel and message look right, it's time to run the flow. Click Run to execute the workflow. You should see the run status appear in Gumloop, and shortly after, your message should land in the selected Slack channel. If you don't see it right away, double check the channel spelling and make sure the workflow run completed successfully. If you're prompted at any point to review permissions, follow the on-screen instructions so Gumloop can communicate with your Slack workspace. That's it. You've added Slack to a Gumloop workflow, configured the channel and message, and run the flow end to end. Save your changes, and you'll be ready to reuse or expand this automation whenever you need.